relationship. However, we saving the day for you. We have a few tips to share with you on how to deal with this from this article in bacp.co.uk. What's the name of the article there, Harris?
How to cope with relationship pressures and conflict during the holidays.
Don't have none. That's the best way. Don't have any relationship. Just cut it off.
Well,
I joke. Don't do that.
It's telling you that some of the most common causes, they say there are lots of reasons. If one person in a couple are both set high expectations and everything has to look and be perfect, then this can cause pressures on the relationship. If it doesn't go as planned, another point of conflict can be alcohol. It's normal to drink and be merry, but alcohol can increase the risks of argument. Oh, yes. And expenses, cost and financing can arise. All right.
Okay.
So let's hear the tips.
Top tips. First one says, feel comfortable and confident to say no if you're being spread too thinly. You are not butter. Neither are you peanut butter. This holiday season is a 2-week period where couples need to spend time together along with their family. A couple welcoming large numbers of family members during this period needs to be conscious not to take on too much. Keep the relationship going and be aware of people outside the relationship who can put added pressure on. Whether that be your friend, oftentimes it's your family. So you have to know which family member, when they're in the living room, you're in the kitchen. Or when they're in the kitchen, you're in the living room.
But also,
you know who they are.
In terms of expenses, if family is coming and you're saying, because family is coming, we have to go roast beef. And family are come, we have to get salmon. And, we have to paint the whole house. This not look good, we have to change this furniture. It's 2 weeks, man.
That's a lot.
Stop changing up your life for family. I feel like if family can't understand and bring some things.
Yes, I was going to say, carry a shed pan, please. Feel free. A bottle of wine, some juice.
Bring some things.
Yeah, make it a potluck. Because it's hard on one person.
It is.
And then when everybody don't eat, now them say, bye, family, and you are left with...
And January, a 3-month bill in a one.
A pile of dishes and dirty house, and we're not feeling that. That's why I feel strongly in paper plate and all those things.
So this number 2 is important. Communicate openly. Allocate roles and responsibilities appropriately. Set aside the idea that the occasion has to be perfect to help manage expectations and be flexible. If you're concerned about the cost, have a budget plan, stick to it. We were just talking about that. Manage your alcohol intake and be aware of how you respond to the after effects of alcohol. So, if you know that when you drink, your mouth gets very light,
as is the case usually,
then don't do it. Do not scare.
Don't drink and talk.
Do not scare the family. Yeah?
Suppose and say you and your partner have a different idea of budget. So he wants to spend $50,000 and you realize that you can only spend $25,000. But he wants everything to be perfect because his family is coming over. What do you do in that situation?
I go look for the bills them from last month end. And I say,
remember these?
This is what is coming. Multiply by 2. So if you comfortable, me comfortable. Then I have no problem with that.
Him could have said yes, then what?
No, well, if him comfortable, me comfortable, because the light cut off, me know where to go stay.
Okay, just check in, because...
No, but I stay there with you. Will you look for Mr. Kyle?
Yeah.
If I say to you, if you spend this money, they're going to disconnect our electricity. And you say you all right with it disconnect. Me all right too.
She's going to light a candle,
me
sing a song and go somewhere else.
Me not staying there.
Find your way to another house.
No.
Not going to be due. Next one says, be conscious of other people's boundaries. Boundaries are essential within relationships and everyone responds differently to busy social occasions like Christmas. Some people love the season while others, they don't like it. So you have to understand your partner and respect your partner's feelings about the season. Don't force him or her. Christmas, why are you so sad? Why you can't? Because that's how he or she feels. And you have to respect that, right? As a boundary. Very important.
I don't know, I have some relative where them They don't have no behavior. Let them stay with part them there.
Which part has always been one of
Let
my
them stay part them there. And remember, you and your partner are a team. That's it. You're a team. They're a team.
And teamwork makes the dream work. That's it for Girl Talk. We'll be right back.
Coming up, printwear tech.